Hi, my name's Malcolm Hill from Zapotal Beach Club, coming to you with a construction update for June of 2022. We can start off by looking at the area for Phase 1 of our North Beach Club. This area will be home to the women's lockers, the men's lockers, as well as our indoor-outdoor gymnasium. We've been able to maintain the mature trees in this area, which will blend through the construction of the beach club. Moving on now to the road which leads up to the Hilltop Estates. This has been a significant project requiring various retaining walls, and as you'll see in this video, we're only a short distance from connecting this road all the way up to the Hilltop Estates. And here is our organic farm. As Zapotal grows, we expect our organic farmers to feed most of our community and create a surplus for surrounding communities. Here we can see the fairways for holes 4, 5 and 7 of our 18-hole Tom Fazio golf course. Here you can see the main entry road to Zapotal. And to finish off, here is your first look at the recently completed Marina Flamingo. This is situated only 4.5 miles over the water from Zapotal, and will also house a Zapotal branded restaurant on site. Here you can see Zapotal's hilltop in the distance. And there you have it, Zapotal Beach Club construction update for June of 2022.